What's up, my oh so beautiful people? I am doing a silver haul or silver coin. As you can see, I got my silver coins here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I saw something really cool with the silver Joker. I'm going to tag their YouTube channel, the Silver Joker. Well, it's called Silver Joker, but I'm gonna tag it. And also, Silver 5150 was doing a challenge of 100+ ounces. And I saw the challenge, and I was like, oh, that would be something cool to do, and I would love to join in on that. So I was like, you know what? Let me join in on the challenge. I think this will be fun, and then also just listening to them and the different reasons to diverse your portfolio. I started collecting some precious metals. Again, just to have a little difference in my portfolio. You see where stocks are going. You see what's going on in the economy. You see the Fed printing out so much, so much currency right now. So I was like, hey, let me just, buy some silver. And I have a bit here. I have a lot. I went in. I definitely answered the call to the challenge. I hope these guys see this. I hope it's fun. I hope it's good sport. And I also wanted to highlight a few other people that I like listening to. So I have the Stacking Stormtrooper and then also Silver Dragons. Those guys have all been kind of like my silver fun go-to people on YouTube, and I'm sure you'll like them too. And then if you want to learn more about precious metals in a whole and just really be in tune with the economy and be in tune with, the dollar and the currency and how money works, Mike Maloney is another great resource for you to go check out on YouTube. Man, I love his, 10 chapters for money and what makes money and how he explains the whole thing. So go check that out too. I'm going to tag that as well. So enough of me talking. Let's get into this silver unboxing. I already took it out of the box, as you can see. I don't want y'all to see all of that, but I am going to kind of cut the tape that's all on here and get into it. So, all right, let's get started. Got my little knife here. Just like all those other guys. You'll see, I'm trying to be like cautious because just like all the other YouTubers, they're like, do not cut yourself. And I'm trying to, I'm probably like, I should have cut this before recording, but whatever. There we go. Just a sticker. All right, so I'm going to open the first box here. This is like the monster box. This is from, you see who it is. Official bullion dealer. A lot of people say when you're buying silver, you can also go to those different channels that I named, and you can buy from just a private person. I went with a bullion dealer because, I wanted to be safe for my first few time buying precious metals, and I wanted to, get it done right. So I have 100 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one has 20 American silver eagles in them. Here we go, ID number, everything. So let's get this open here. Got plastic all around it. I know all the silver stackers are like, this guy's gonna cut himself. He don't know what he's doing. Sorry guys, I just want to be down. All right, let's get this open. Also, what I noticed is that, oh wow, that's beautiful. Wow, that you know what? I watch all these videos and I'm like, man, like they be sounding so excited about opening boxes, but I just open this up and I'm just like, oh, it's so shiny and oh, this is beautiful. So actually, let me I'm just gonna pull it out here. Pull the silver coin out here. Sometimes they be wearing like a glove and everything, but I don't have a glove, so don't come after me because I didn't wear a glove. But here it is. Look at that. I'm gonna bring it up close to the camera. 1 ounce silver, American Eagle. I'll flip it over here. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. So shiny. I know they're like, you're gonna get your oily hands on it. So there's 20 in here. I'm so excited about this. There's 20 in here. Let me see if I'm just gonna pour them all out. I know they're probably like, oh, it's gonna be a headache putting it back in this tube, but whatever. I'm excited. This is so cool. So again, I just wanted to diversify my portfolio here, and get some precious metals. If you haven't seen in the last few days, last few weeks, precious metals have been going up. And it's been going up a lot too. I wish I had the number in front of me. But it went from $16, 16 and some change to today I saw it, the last time I checked, it was at $18.48. And I bought these at 16. What did I buy these at? I think it was because I had to pay the premium too, so can't forget about that. But I bought these at, where's my invoice? Dang it. I think it was, I know spot price was $16.49. So I'm sure I paid like 17 or 18 for these. Right now, if you go to the site, these are selling for 23 and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at this. This is so beautiful. So again, look what we got here. That is so nice. Wow. Beautiful. So if you look into some diversity in your investments, I'll say try precious metals. It's not for everybody. I wanted to try something different for sure because I have stock, I have real estate, I have some businesses, and I'm like, I want to do something cool and fun. Like seeing all the stackers and all their different silvers that they stack. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool, all the different faces. Now on here or with this video, I only have the silver eagles, American eagles, because again, I'm just starting off, so I just wanted to play it safe, play the one that that's a government issued bullion, and I just wanted to start off the right way. So I'm just gonna go through this here. In the comments below, just tell me a little bit about your investments. Matter of fact, in the comments below, if you want to join in on a challenge, again, Silver Joker and Silver 5150, they started this cool little challenge. You could join in too. It's not something that you have to do. I mean, I think it'll be cool to just show, however many you get. It don't have to be 100 plus. You can show, that you got just your first coin. You can show that you got your first 5 or you got your first 10 or whatever. But I think this is just so cool if you're into money, if you're into silver. Again, these are all American Eagles, 1 ounce. That is just so nice. I mean, even how it look on camera is just slick. So, again, that's the first thing here. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So the 100 ounce club, completed that challenge. Then I have another one with another 100 in it. So, I went in. I can't just be coming in these guys' territory, taking on challenges and not paying respect. So I stepped it up in the challenge a little bit as a newbie. But if you go to their channel, you will see that they have, so much silver. I'm not even in their league, really. They have so much silver. But this is a start. So again, I have another box here. I know some people, when I tell them I buy from, this bullion dealer, they're like, oh, they charge so much, their premiums are so high. Again, when you're first starting off, like myself, you want to go to a trusted bullion dealer. If you can pay that fee, pay it. Just your first few orders, be safe. So I got another 20 in here. Again, these are all just, American Silver Eagles. but I did want to participate in a challenge, and these are just so beautiful. Look at that. So clean. And this is my first silver unboxing, silver stacking video, so cut me some slack. You know. So this is another 100, excuse me. So that is 200 there. Let's see. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 20. So that's 260. All right. So I have 260 here. So I showed you guys some of the coins. Thank you for letting me join the challenge. Silver Joker and Silver 5150. But here I have 260 ounces of silver 1 ounce American Eagles. So, you know, if you're interested in stacking silver, I would say check out those people. I'm going to put them in my description below. Also, if you're interested in diversifying your portfolio and, you know, just having tangible hard assets for investments, definitely go check out Mike Maloney. Such an amazing guy, you know, economist, or he just knows about money, and he's like my go-to person. So thank you so much. I'm gonna just cut it here, but super exciting. Like, you know, first time doing this. This is awesome. But thanks, and until the next video.